Hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Kweru Special. And yano, me Mama Kwaba. Today I've got some delicious mix of deep fried fish seafood for you. Look at that. That looks just delicious. So I surprised my husband with this on his birthday and he loved it. I used different kinds of seafood such as codfish. I used calamaris. I used salmon, shrimps, prawns. You can use any fish that you like or prefer. For the seasoning, I use different kind of spices. So I use paprika, garlic powder, some cornmeal, all-season pepper season, and a pinch of salt. I mixed that all together with some water. Into that I added all of my seasoning and the cornmeal, and I mixed that together very well. And I used salt. Be careful with the salt, don't use too much, otherwise it will just be overpowering. So I mixed that all together, and then I just coated my seafood in it, and you can use as many as you want depending on how you like it. So do you want it well coated or just a tiny bit? And now you see me deep frying it, and look at that. If it's this golden brown, it's ready and it looks very good. So I did that with all of the fish and the other seafood. Here you see me frying the calamaris, and they were super crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside, and they were just delicious. It's important that you choose the right kind of fish. I got mine from my local market, so I knew it was very fresh and that it would taste very yummy. There you see me deep frying the rest. This is the salmon. I used less of the seasoning on that because it tastes just good by itself anyways. And here you see me deep frying the prawns. And that's some codfish. And it just tasted very well all together. So what I added to it was some salad and some fries, and that made it very nice to combine that together. That's the fries I used, and I just add that. And then here, when my husband came in, it was all ready. He was not expecting it, but he was very happy. So I just put it all together. I put a little bit of some olives on top, some of the peppers on top, some lemon, and that's it. It looks delicious and it tastes yummy. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Nyami shira munyana.